In this video, I will be showing you how to make a save the date in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the search bar under the Templates tab and type in Save the Date to see all the available options. I'll scroll through the results to find a design that fits the vibe I'm looking for. Once I find the perfect template, I'll click on it to see the details and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the canvas is open, I want to change the illustration. I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for Couple to find a new graphic. I'll browse through the library, pick an illustration I like, and click to add it to my page. I'll click on the existing image and delete it. I can then click and drag the corners to resize it and move it into the center of the design. Next, it's time to update the text. I'll double-click on the names and type in the new names for the couple. Then, I'll do the same for the date, highlighting the numbers and typing in the correct wedding date. To give the design a different look, I'll click on the Save the Date text and open the font menu at the top. I'll scroll through the font list and select a new style that stands out. Finally, I'll make some quick adjustments to the positioning of the text and the image to make sure everything looks perfectly balanced. And that is how you create a beautiful Save the Date in Canva.